And here's I will show you how to round only one corner in Photoshop. First of all, I'm just selecting this rectangle tool from this tool section and fill color. I'm selecting here a dummy fill color, and then I'm just drawing a rectangle shape. Okay, here we have the rectangle shape. Now to make only one corner round, go to window, and here make sure to enable properties, and under property here scroll down and make sure to select the rectangle or shape that you want to round only one corner, and then here under appearance you find these border radius option. So first of all, I'm just linking this and moving all corner radius just like this, and here we can see all round corners have been removed. Now I'm just unlinking this option, and here we can see 4 different corners. So this is the top left corner, top right corner, bottom left corner, and bottom right corner. So for example, I want to round only bottom left corner. So this is the bottom left corner box. I'm giving here 100 pixel for example, and we can see only this corner successfully rounded. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.